Good morning, you guys. Well, it's actually not even morning. It's like a little bit after 12 o'clock, but it's Saturday, so happy Saturday. And I decided to do a little weekend vlog because I think I mentioned it at the end of the last vlog. I didn't do much this weekend, so this week, so it wasn't much kind of going on. It's been a stressful week at work, honestly, and it's just been really busy. So when I've been coming home, if I'm being 1000% honest, I have not felt like doing pretty much anything. So I really wasn't, it took me a while to even finish the vlog because I really wanted to show you guys some of our gifts because we got some really nice gifts. So anyways, I don't have much going on today. So yeah, I was going to be doing a little bit of Instacart today, but I'm just really not in the mood to do that. But I have a lot of stuff to kind of do at the house. I just kind of feel like being kind of cozy in the house. I did clean up the kitchen yesterday, which was the biggest thing that needed to be cleaned. So everything really at home just needs to be straightened up. We got all the trash and stuff out before babe went to work. So I just have a couple little cleaning to do when I get home. And then I have some editing to do and just some other little stuff like washing. I needed to give Mr. a bath. You guys, he hurt his leg. But yes, I need to give Mr. a bath. So I just want to do those kind of things. I am going to use our air fryer today. I'm really excited to use the air fryer. So I got to look up some recipes that I want to try out. I have a package that I got I want to show you guys in the mail. So we're just gonna have a nice little chill, weekend. Tomorrow's Sunday, and babe's always off Sundays, and I'm always off every weekend. So usually that's like our date day. So we're having a date day tomorrow. We're gonna go to the mall and use a couple of our gift cards, and then also we got a gift card to Cheesecake Factory. So we're gonna go there, I think, for lunch. And just have us a nice little date day, get all dressed up and cute. So I'm excited about that. So I might try something different with this hair. I really like when I use the flexi rods with this, so I'll probably wand it. I'll probably end up using the flexi rods, and I'll show you guys what that looks like. The drink gift that we got. So all of this came together. There's like two little cute martini glasses with these little, like, the mixing in there, and it also has the syrup for each one, for apple martini and a cranberry martini, and it came with this shaker thing. And then we also got these 2 bottles of Stella Rosa. We finished that other one, and I'm honestly thinking about getting like a bar cart or some sort of an alcohol area, you guys, because we do often have alcohol around the house. And I just think this would be so cute because I don't know when we're going to use them. So it'll be cute to display them on there. So currently going to be looking into getting us one of those. But yeah, you guys, just got done cleaning up, as you guys can see. So now I'm just going to put a load of laundry in, and then I need to run to Dollar Tree. We need to get some tissue. I need to get us a new dishwasher thingy. We need to get more dishwashing detergent, and then I need to get whatever else I may need for dinner. We're gonna I'm gonna use the air fryer tonight for the first time, so I'm excited to cook with that and see if we like it. I don't know, no idea what I'm making yet, so I gotta sit down and brainstorm and take a little break after I put this load in, and then I'll be going to run out to the store, and then I'll come back and start editing. So yeah, guys, that's pretty much what's going on. Pretty productive day so far. The house looks good, and it's only 3 o'clock, even though it feels so later. Like, daylight savings really hit me, y'all. So anyway, put up another one of our engagement gifts. My friend Quisha gave this to us. You guys have met her on this channel before, but her and her wife sent us this cute personalized, I think I showed you guys, but this is just the area we decided to put it over our bedroom door, and I think it's just super duper cute and perfect and dainty and personalized, and so us. So yeah, I've just been been editing. So I got 2 vlogs edited. One is uploading, the other one's exporting. I'm gonna get those up today, and then I'll just have this vlog to finish editing, as well as the engagement vlog. And I'm gonna fold clothes and relax. Babe should be home from work any minute now, and I think she's gonna make dinner. We're gonna have baked chicken and some sides, so we're just chilling and relaxing, huh, mister? And yeah, I'll vlog if there's anything else that happens tonight at 6 o'clock. Otherwise, I'll see you guys I'll see you guys tomorrow, and we'll go through the package finally and on our date night. Salad in there.
Salad, it's lots of salad.
Date night. Here, babe, try some. It's lots of dressing.
Enough.
You want a crouton? It's good. Happy Monday, you guys. So I'm just got to the office, getting ready to go get my water and stuff like that. I'm filming a different type of video today, so I'm excited. I'm filming 2 videos today. I'm vlogging and filming. As you guys can see, I broke 2 nails, but we're gonna fix those later after work. About to go get some coffee and get to my emails. We had a really eventful weekend at work. So it's gonna be a pretty interesting Monday. Mondays always fly by anyway, and it's payroll Monday, excuse me. And yeah, I have a lot of stuff to do, so just getting ready to get started. I just flex routed this hair. I'm not really loving this hair, but it's just not hair I could wear straight, so I gotta keep wearing my curls or whatever. I'll probably try to do it for another week, but I don't know what I'm doing to my hair next, you guys. I think I'm gonna go ahead and try the headband wig that I don't know if I told you guys about, but I was wanting to get it for the engagement party, but I didn't have enough time to get it in time, so we just ended up going with the sew-in. But yeah, anyways, you guys, I'm about to go ahead and get started because I got a lot going on today. Just wanted to say happy Monday. I'm gonna continue this vlog because I know I didn't get enough footage. Our date day was really fun yesterday. We just had a really good time, came home. We went did a little shopping, so I'll show you guys what I got from Sephora, because we got a Sephora gift card from the engagement party also, and then a Cheesecake Factory gift card. So we used both of those yesterday, and then we got a couple clothing items. So I'll show you guys what I got from Sephora later in a package, and also probably what we just have for dinner and stuff. And then that'll probably be the end of this vlog. And then if anything interesting happens today, I'll let you guys know. But yeah, that's pretty much it. After 7:30 right now, 7:31, and I am heading to work. I'm actually just sitting in the car right now because I gotta let it warm up a little bit. It's as usual, and that's like the only thing I sometimes miss about Georgia is the heat, because I'm not about this cold life, honestly. Even though I lived here my entire life, I guess I didn't know any different. And then when I went to college and lived somewhere else for a couple years, that was really nice at that. Really hot shit, honestly. it changes up your perspective. But I'm so excited to go on a vacation again, you guys. So hopefully we can, because we're gonna try to take just a little trip for Babe's birthday, which is New Year's Day. So we're trying to plan something. So I think that'll be really fun if we can kind of make that happen. But it is freezing cold, y'all. And yes, it has been super busy at my job because we had a positive COVID case. After this entire scare, you guys, we have not had any COVID scares. Honestly, we've tested residents. Oh, Babe did my nails last night. I got this super cute color over the weekend, pink. You guys know I'm obsessed. So anyway, we had obviously tested residents for it because they had a symptom or whatever. Even if they didn't have a symptom, we may have tested them because of the simple fact that it's going around and we really don't know. We've been on lockdown, so the residents really, especially at first, like when this first started happening, the residents could not leave. And then after a while, because I work in an assisted living, they had to figure out a system that allowed people to leave for like medical appointments and some sort of family visit. Because as you guys can imagine, when you're older like that, you know, it's been hard enough, I'm sure, just, you know, for us in general. But to think about older people who are oftentimes looking forward to their family's visits when they live in these type of situations, and they live in one of these facilities, they just can't see them for 6, 7, 8, 9 months. You know what I'm saying? Like, this stuff has been going on all year since March, and you know, it's just kind of, it's crazy. I just, it's really crazy, honestly, like how it's all coming together and how it's all working. But yeah, so finally we did have a positive case. And I'm not gonna lie, you guys, it's really scary, but I don't feel, I'm not at risk. I'll just say that. I don't interact with the residents, and they're on isolation lockdown, obviously. And, you know, I'm just kind of happy that, you know, I don't know, y'all, it's just a scary situation. But now everybody's getting tested weekly, because once you have, as a facility, a long-term care facility or assisted living, once you have like a positive case, you need to start testing, and then you guys test weekly. This is just the state of Minnesota. Everybody has different regulations for what they're required to do with coronavirus. It's actually really crazy. And it all differs based on your licensure and all that boring stuff. So anyway, yeah, that's pretty much that. We are going to be testing. So anyway, once you have a positive case, that's what I was saying, you guys will be testing weekly until you have 2 weeks with all negatives. And honestly, I believe after this, we're going to still be testing employees weekly, just because that is how it got in the building. Because obviously our residents don't really leave except for medical appointments, which is possible they could have got it there too. But yeah, it's a lot, you guys. It just doesn't even make sense, you know. It's just kind of crazy, but it became real a little bit, and it's just kind of been scary, you guys. Like, honestly, like, just thinking about it has just been kind of crazy, you know. So this is a scary time that we're living in. You know, you can get it anywhere, and I just feel like, you know, you're doing what you want to do in regards to protecting yourself, you know. But obviously I always protect myself at work anyway. Not that I believed I was ever a carrier, but just because I'm the one who does go out, especially when I was working directly with my residents and caring for my residents, it was definitely important to make sure I was wearing my proper PPE and also just practicing good hygiene, which I did as a CNA anyway. So that's my biggest tip during this, is practicing good hygiene and just making sure you're wearing your PPE, because that's always going to help you and save you. And even when we get screened by the Department of Health to see like how much of a risk it is, they always wonder and are asking, okay, we're in there with no mask on for 15 minutes, you know, that's considered exposure. So it's like, you can get it anywhere, you know, and as long as you're doing your part, you just gotta hope and pray for the best. You know, my heart is definitely with the residents that have gotten this. It's very difficult, and I obviously hope everyone can recover, but everyone is not recovering worldwide, so it's just kind of crazy, you know. I don't know, guys, it's a little bit weird. I usually wear surgical masks, but I got an N95, KN95, I believe that's what it's called, because the N95 you actually have to get like properly fitted for. You got to do a fit test and all that stuff. So you're gonna, it's not, you know, a true, but it's definitely a lot stronger than the regular surgical mask. It is a little bit harder to breathe and stuff, but yeah. I'm gonna talk to you guys a little bit. I've been thinking about doing a chit chat, get ready with me, talking about everything that's been going on working in this facility during the pandemic, everything I've experienced and kind of dealt with, and how my job's going, and just a little bit of stuff like that. And then, you know, just kind of depends. So Vlogmas is coming up, you guys, and I want to do Vlogmas, so I'm trying to figure something out. So today I'm going to kind of see how that would look for me and kind of go from there. So anyways, it's a little loud now. I'm going to get to work, so I'll talk to you guys later.